From July the 1st onwards, Muslim couples applying to register their marriages must first meet a wedding solemniser before their solemnisation ceremony.
Also known as a Naib Kadi, the solemniser will continue to engage the couple over the next 2 years. This is part of the community's new initiative called Bersama Mu, or Together with You, to help couples build a stronger marriage.
As part of the initiative, the solemniser will encourage soon-to-wed couples to attend a marriage preparation course by the Social and Family Development Ministry. Now, this is to help couples understand their roles in the family and how to manage challenges.
Couples who need more support, like those where one person is below the age of 21, will also be referred to specialist agencies. The government will also develop and roll out training programs for solemnisers to effectively engage the couples.
It gives you the opportunity to have someone who you respect, someone who understands, someone who sees the marriages taking place, and they will be able to present you with many tips and ideas on how you can journey your marriage together.